So you look up a home maintenance checklist online and suddenly it feels like you've just taken on a second full-time job. Flush this, test that, clean literally everything. It is incredibly overwhelming. And somewhere in the middle of that endless list, you probably just wonder, what actually matters here?
You do not need to do everything. Start with a few tasks that help prevent the biggest problems.
If you do nothing else, do these 5 home maintenance tasks. Today, we're going to focus on reoccurring tasks that address the absolute biggest risks that most homes face. Think fire, water damage, and major system failure.
All right, let's dive right into the 5 essential tasks. Task number 1 is cleaning your dryer vent. Now, the key distinction here is that while you absolutely need to clean that little lint screen after every single load, you also have to periodically check or clean the full vent path. Why? Because lint buildup seriously restricts airflow and can lead to overheating. It's actually one of the most preventable fire risks in your entire home. But here's a really crucial point. If your vent is totally inaccessible, damaged, unusually long, or just not exhausting properly, do not attempt to dismantle it yourself. Just don't do it. Get qualified help to handle it safely.
Moving right along to task number 2, changing your HVAC filter. A dirty, clogged filter chokes off airflow, which makes your entire system work way harder, wear out faster, and ultimately cost you more money to run. But, there is no single magical schedule that works for every home. The timing varies wildly based on your specific filter type, whether you have pets, allergies, your system usage, and just general household conditions.
So, the rule of thumb is to always use the correct size filter for your specific unit and rely directly on the guidance from your system or the filter manufacturer. Don't just blindly follow some generic 30-day rule if it doesn't actually fit your home's reality. Next up, let's talk about water and drainage. Which brings us to task number 3, keeping your gutters and downspouts clear. This brilliantly illustrates how your home systems work together. Your gutters are specifically designed to move water away from your roof and siding, while your downspouts need to discharge that water far, far away from your foundation. When they get clogged up, all that water goes exactly where it shouldn't. However, please hear me on this one. Absolutely avoid any unsafe ladder or roof work. If your gutters are too high up or the access is dangerous, do not attempt it yourself. Just call a qualified professional to get them cleared out. It is literally never worth the safety risk. Task 4 is all about checking for leaks, because catching a tiny leak early is so much easier than addressing massive moisture problems later on. Some safe, easy places to observe include under your sinks, around the toilets, near your major appliances, around the water heater, up on your ceilings and walls, or in a safely accessible basement or crawl space. A pro tip? Snap a photo or make a quick note on your phone if something changes, just so you can easily track it over time.
And this part is absolutely critical. If you discover active water, if there is any electrical involvement, sagging materials, or a significant mold concern, stop immediately. Don't touch it. Call a qualified professional right away.
Now, let's shift gears to crucial safety alarms.
Task number 5 is testing your smoke alarms. You really need to test and maintain these according to the manufacturer's exact instructions. And importantly, this also includes carbon monoxide alarms, especially if your home has any fuel-burning equipment or an attached garage. Keep in mind, though, there is no single universal placement or replacement rule that applies everywhere. Requirements vary wildly depending on your specific home, the exact device you're using, and your local codes. So always rely on the specific instructions for your exact setup.
Okay, this next section is vital to keep in mind: watching for changed behavior. Here's the part most homeowners miss. Skipped chores are not usually the biggest warning. Changed behavior is.
So, what does changed behavior actually look, sound, or even smell like? Well, it's things like a slow leak that suddenly appears, a brand new musty smell in the hallway, water pooling up where it shouldn't be, a system suddenly sounding or behaving differently, an alarm that just doesn't work when you hit test, or a dryer taking unusually long to dry your clothes. Those little signals? That's exactly how small issues quietly turn into massive, expensive repairs. So how do we tackle this without getting overwhelmed? Let's build a simple routine.
Here is a highly effective but completely manageable rhythm. Every few months, review your filters and look for those visible warning signs we just talked about. In the spring and fall, check your gutters, drainage, and the home's exterior. And then, at least annually, complete a broader safety and home condition walkthrough. Of course, this schedule won't fit every single home exactly. You should always follow manufacturer guidance and adjust this flow for your specific home, your local climate, and your systems.
You do not need a perfect maintenance system to take good care of your home. Start with the risks that matter most, then build from there.
Start with these 5, then use AHA's Seasonal Home Maintenance Checklist to build a routine that fits your home.
Remember, general homeowner education is all about empowerment, not panic. Always use qualified help when a task simply cannot be completed safely by yourself. You have the tools to protect your biggest investment without letting it become a second job. So what's one small warning sign you can safely check for today? Start there, take a deep breath, and you'll do great.